Everyone, welcome back to Cloud Sutra. Today we have two exciting opportunities for you. First, Skywave is hiring for a DevOps fresher position in Hyderabad with a salary of 3 lakhs per annum. They are looking for someone with experience in AWS, Azure or GCP, strong Linux skills and familiarity with CICD pipelines and Docker. Secondly, Airbus India in Bangalore is offering a full-time internship in CICD. This internship involves enhancing continuous integration and deployment process, collaborating with product teams, and optimizing operational efficiency. Required skills include familiarity with cloud providers like AWS, knowledge of CI/CD and infrastructure as a code, and proficiency in scripting and automation tools. If you are ready to kickstart your career in DevOps or gain valuable CI/CD experience, click the links in the description box below to apply for these exciting opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe for more job opportunities. Good luck. Thank you.